Are some pages in your PDF upside down or turned sideways? Yeah, that can make a document difficult to read. Fortunately, PDFsam Basic lets you rotate PDF pages quickly without needing expensive editing software. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to rotate PDF pages using PDFsam Basic in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch PDFsam Basic from your desktop or Start menu. After the application opens, you'll see several PDF tools on the main dashboard. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Rotate tool. Click the Rotate option to open the workspace. This is where you'll load your PDF and choose how the pages should be rotated. The layout is simple, so you can get started right away. Next, click Add to Browse for your PDF, or simply drag and drop it into the application. Once the file loads, you'll be able to choose which pages you want to rotate. Now specify whether you want to rotate all pages or only selected pages. Then choose the rotation angle, such as 90 degrees clockwise, 90 degrees counterclockwise, or 180 degrees. Selecting only the pages that need correction saves time and avoids unnecessary changes. Select where you'd like the corrected PDF to be saved. You can keep the default output folder or choose another location that's easier to access. Giving the new file a clear name makes it easier to identify later. Finally, click the Run button to process the document. PDFsam Basic will create a new PDF with the selected pages rotated according to your settings. So once the process finishes, open the new PDF and verify that every page is displayed correctly. And that's how to rotate PDF pages using PDFsam Basic. With just a few clicks, you can fix sideways or upside-down pages and create a properly formatted document. I mean, it's a simple feature, but it can save a lot of time when working with scanned files or shared PDFs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.